Just got the new multifunctional jump starter. Okay, tells you your total amp and your 3000 peak amp. Has a 150 psi air compressor, so I said very multifunctional. Talks about the whether it's bike tire or bike tire, different PSIs, and I'll show you that you can also use it for a smartphone charger, for USB, iPad or laptop, and then have different functions for the lighting, SOLs, and then SOS, and then the strobe light. Like I said, you can jump start up to 8-liter diesel engine and or gasoline engine. So, again, just tells you step by step how to jumpstart your vehicle. Comes with a real nice carrying case. I said it has a QC 3.0 fast charging, which is nice. Very portable, lightweight, nice handle with a nice rubber grip there. Must be all the accessories here. Okay, use your manual. Here's your Type-C charger, USB. Got my for the air compressor. Okay. Positive, negative for my charger. Okay. Then get different plug-in for whether it's for a inflatable, a ball, or maybe not inflatable there. Nice to have this extra rubber strap there. Okay, again, another nice handle. Again, just tells you with the 12 volt, peak 3000 amp, and 150 PSIs. Okay. And I'm gonna go through the manual, double check it. This will be for this will plug in the screw into there. So if I wanna, like I said, inflate things. Okay, so I'm gonna go through the user manual. Here's your charging ports, your fast charging. Again, so I'm just going through the user manual and make sure that we've got all the safety precautions, and then I'll show you how it works. Okay, show you some of the functions. Like you talked about the light. I'm just gonna turn on the power. Okay, and you can tell you that, back up one thing, this is for the PSIs, these are different units for the air compressor. Okay, so if I want the light on, I'm just gonna hold that down, and this is all in the user manual. So I've got my light, flash, SOS, you got your red SOS, and shut it off. Oopsie. Okay, now some of the ports on the back side. So if I just want to charge the unit, here, that, and there. Okay, and I'll show you the front here. And tell you the now charging. Now it's got power going in, and just make sure you never use your battery charger while you're charging it. Okay. Take that off. Now say I want to utilize the charger for a cell phone. Plug into one of the ports. Make sure it gets in the right spot here. Have it on. Take the case off, might be a little easier. Oh, I know why. Power's off. Okay. Okay, now we're showing that it's charged once we got the power on and it's charging there. So multifunctional, like I said, charge your laptop, use your laptop with the the power supply. Now, when you want to use to charge a vehicle, you go to the back side. You've got your ports there. One is circle and one is kind of like a domed. Then I will take my here. Take the cap off. As you can see, that this will be in the top and that'll be in the bottom. So one thing, I'm gonna go out and show you this outside. We just want to make sure you never plug this in where these two are close together to where they're gonna spark in that. And then like I said, last we'll take the air compressor here. Like I said before, you can screw that into there. So real multifunctional, like I said, with this 3000 amp, very portable, very lightweight, real nice carrying case. So looking for something like this, I'd recommend this product. And again, I'm gonna go outside, we'll show you how to charge up a battery or how to jump start it. So a couple of features, or this is when you have the air compressor plugged in on that side, this is how you turn it on and off. Okay, and then if you want to increase, it's got your max for your PSIs. You can increase it, put it as a memory. So once it hits that, it'll turn off automatically. So just another good feature. So take this, put it on positive, keep them separate. And just a little closer. There, get the negative hook up the positive. You got a good grip on it. Okay, then I'll start it up. As you can see, fires right up, so great function on it with that 3000. It's got your level right there where it's at. So again, another great function. Like I said before, looking for this portable jump starter, I'd highly recommend this product.